Guess we got a downgrade.
Shit.
So I'm finna clean these heads up so I can slap them on my 4.8. That's what I'm doing today, my boys. You see, they're not really that dirty. So, I mean, they're really not. Just got a little bit of cleaning to do, you know. Together the rest of the heads. Yes, she's still that dirty, but you gotta do what you gotta do, man. I just got done with that one. I still gotta finish this one. But yeah, my little workspace, man. I always test my valves just like this, bro. Boom. Boom. She seated. She seated. Spray off with brake clean. She'll look like this. You know what I'm saying?